And me say, yo, Mother Road, God Road, Khago, and me say, Jamaica worst gamer. Mother Road, Ratned. Tell them boy figure sort themselves. One Ratned, one Sky God, you know. Jamaica worst gamer. We say we not sell out with friend. Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Mother Road. Cause of the girl them turn up with thing. Jamaica worst gamer, them worst nightmare. One Ratned, one Sky God, all UK, all 14, JA, Jamaica worst gamer. All upcoming artists, you know. A review now really got show. If it don't interview or review by Kirky, Mother Road, God Road, Bad Road. Let me tell you something. You have to push through without no fear. Jamaica worst gamer, tell them to chuck off. Mother Road.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are with Khago. Yeah, man, Khago again. With the foot in a Shawn neck to pussy clown. Yeah, the man that take out the foot out of Shawn neck to pussy clown. With a Shawn this, in name Chip. Bumbo Club.
Come in a forehead.
Yeah, alright, we can jump in that one here. Khago say, yeah, man, cause you know the Khago real fucking man. Man, I've been foot in a G neck. Alright, let's go. See him ready, Correctus, big up.
Keep on the guys a black. Sky got gun down the block.
Correctus, big up.
Sky got you, I get so chip, chop. Murder. Earn boss, ready. Man, a murderer. I know I be a bad man forward for the
man, say murder boss, so you there?
Boy, Shawn time grudge me for me pain. Show me beam look clean and fame. When me try to port more scale, while I port more, I said the boy see if I win a scene. The boy want me.
Jamaica's worst gamer. React.
Yo.
What a reaction.
Fingerella keep on the guys and black. Sky got
Fingerella
down
over
the
Gaza,
block.
I'm saying.
Sky got you, I get so chip, chop. Murder. Earn boss, ready. Man, a murderer. I know I be a bad man forward for the bang. Boy, Shawn time grudge me for me pain. Show me beam look clean and fame.
So we know say Khago have a 5 series. I think he have 2 5 series. Last time I check it, I know that he had a white 5 series where him did buy in the war between him and during the war between him and Iactane. Before that he had a black one. So he must say, yo, Shawn Storm grudge him for him beam. For him beam him attack. Because he must say Fame beam cleaner than Fame. So he must say Fame beam cleaner than Shawn Storm beam. So Shawn Storm grudge him for him beam. Ah boy. Come in a forehead.
Boy, Shawn Storm grudge me for me pain. Show me beam look
Cleaner than Fame.
When me try to port more scale, while I port more, I said the boy see if I win a scene.
So even Portmore people them can't see silver. Them say we silver, the silver eye. Them say silver is nowhere to be found. Them say silver is nowhere to be found. Which was silver there. So them say him drive through Portmore scheme and I ask the people them, yo, we silver, they say, oh, them not see him.
Yeah. When me try to port more scale, while I port more, I said the boy see if I win a scene. The boy want me to shoot up port more scheme like him, don't know me get to Africa. The boy Shawn Storm down by himself, no house, and him a driving a be my waist, boy the bell. From see them.
Hold on, no, man, the boy see when I buy enough.
Down by himself, no house, and him a driving a be my waist, boy the bell. From see them come bout him a mado. No girl coulda make his Sky God nado. The little one series be my shago. And you a follow back a man you look peg out. Fingerella keep on the guys a black. Sky got gun down the block. Sky got you I get so chip, chop. Murder. Earn boss ready. Man a murderer.
Earn boss ready. Bang.
Boy, Shawn Storm grudge me for me pain. Show me beam look clean and fame. When me try to port more scale, while I port more, I said the boy see if I shoot up Portmore scheme like him, don't know me get the African. The boy Shawn stand down by himself, no house, and him a driving a be my waist boy a bell. First
man said the boy see when no buy no house. And you're driving a Beamer. Where you going to live in your car? Eh? Where you going to live in your one series? That's what Khago saying, no, not me.
Shawn stand down by himself, no house, and him a driving a be my waist boy a bell. First see them come bout him a mad oh. No girl coulda make his sky god mad oh. The little one series be my shag out. And you a follow back a man you look peg out. Shawn fraud.
Man say Shawn Sam look peg out. Man say Shawn Sam look peg out. If you know what peg out mean, you know what I'm talk.
Come bout him a mad oh. No girl coulda make his sky god mad oh. The little one series be my shag out. And you a follow back a man you look peg out. Shawn fraud body man a soldier. Coulda never sell out me brother. Him a no loyal boss. Fire this rotten egg boy you out of order. I tell you what I said your girl Shawn in me company Gaza full of your face up baby. Girl shit in your mouth like a shit in a plate. You know see it so you uncompatible. Can't run the plate.
Yo.
Shawn in me company Gaza full of your face up baby. Girl shit in your mouth like a shit in a plate. You know see it so you uncompatible. Can't run the place when I do second place. And if I never can't tell you get a shot in your face. Me left me room a dream.
And say yo, if I never caught till I get a shot in your face, bro. Even though me forward over upon the Gaza and shell out your face, but same with your dog.
Place when I do second place. And if I never can't tell you get a shot in your face. Me left me room a GP fi take another case. And every girl panic as I give your pussy for taste. A skeng alone can't save the fool. Long time FLA run back me tool. Yo.
I must say, yo, a Skengdan alone can save the fool. Skengdan, you know, if you don't know Skengdan, you know Skengdan. Not the Skeng the artist, the original Skengdan. Man say, yo, a Skengdan alone can save the artist, bro. A Skengdan alone can save Shawn Storm. And furthermore, FLA, long time, them send back him tool. Them give him back him license gun, them run back him tool.
Me room a GP fi take another case. And every girl panic as I give your pussy for taste. A skeng alone can't save the fool. Long time FLA run back me tool. Yo a beating stick that from in a school. Him a no loyal boss, you no see that a fool. No.
The man say, yo, Shawn Storm soft from in a school, soft like sponge. Him not grow tough like steel wool. No. Him soft from school, them a beat him. A beating stick that. Him not good. Him a no loyal. Him just fool. That's how the G say, not me.
A beating stick that from in a school. Him a no loyal boss, you no see that a fool. No see big pussy Shawn in a cartel jowl. Shawn broke like a dog from back of the school. Big pussy mad so I got dead to fool. And after this country man, you a go swim in the pool.
Man say big pussy. Big pussy mad so I got dead to fool. And if you're this country man, you go swim in a pool.
Big pussy Shawn in a cartel jowl. Shawn broke like a dog from back of the school. Big pussy mad so I got dead to fool. And after this country man, you a go swim in the pool. I said your girl Shawn in me company Gaza full of your face up there. Get that shit in your mouth, take a shit in a plate. You know see it so you uncomfortable. Can't run the place when I do second place. And if I never can't tell you get a shit in your face. Me left me room a GP fi take another case. And every girl panic as I give your pussy for taste. A skeng alone can't save the fool.
Jamaica's worst game.
What more can I say? What more can I do over here? Khago! You know, he's a Shawn Storm neck now, dog. You see, Shawn Storm no answer. You're not ease up. You're not ease up off my G neck. And that one no still. Yo, at this moment, like we say, Khago is just trolling at this moment. Khago is just trolling at this moment. Him well want Shawn Storm duppy. Well want Shawn Storm for answer. But at this point, I don't think Shawn Storm is gonna answer anywhere because you have Deborah I beat him from the left and you have Khago beat him from the right. Like he not gonna answer. He wouldn't answer neither. He wouldn't answer neither blood clot. Yo, Shawn, what you doing, my fam? You can't make the man of my deal the Gaza so still now, bro. You cannot make the man of my deal the Gaza so. You see me? So you need to answer, bro. You need to show out. You need to show out a foot. Show out a foot. Yeah, she bought her foot and tell Khago about himself. You know what I mean? Cause Khago did the place wicked dog.
You know it's never about representing Jamaica's.
Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I'll be down in the
What a
comment section,
reaction.
alright? Big up yourself, Sky God. Shawn, show about now, man. Up. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.